Right? You know No Way Home. Yes. Ilang Spider-Man ang nandun? Tatlo. Pare-pareho version? No. That's it. There's one character with different versions. You can have different versions. Have choices how to do it differently. Is that clear? Magic if, kahit apat. Sabi na. Kaya kayong apat lang. Sige. Kaya itong apat na to. Hindi, sige dyan. Sama ka? Here. Magic if. What if I'm holding, alam niyo ba dito? What if I'm holding an egg? Right? Ito egg. Nilaga. Ano ba ang nilaga? Nilaga naman. Right now, Elmina, it transforms to a beach ball. Uy, wait lang. Ba? Aray? Ayan. Sinabi mo, paglabas. Hindi, diba?
Dapat pinaglalaro yung mga ganyan.
Okay. Sige, pasok mo sa kanya. Guys, o huwag mo pasok sa akin. Cyclops eyes. Cyclops eyes. You monster. Monster eye. Uy! Ang amas! Kita mo no? Okay, from you, it becomes a nuclear waste. Ano ba yan? Sabi ko pa yun! Okay, that's magic thing. What if it's like this? Okay? Alright, that's it. Thank you very much. Give them a hug mo. Then, inner monologue and self-text. Inner monologue, kasi usually pag nagpa-perform, di ba? Like, I'm sorry, Liza Soberano is pretty, but she's empty when she's happy. Honestly. Right? Galapot sa mata, hindi pwede blanco. Kahit wala kang sinasabi, meron pa rin nangyayari. May monologue of person. Right? So if that monologue may not be said, but whenever bigong-pika ka na, diba sa parang diba? Nagets nyo? Diba? Ganon. Diba? I didn't say anything, but more or less you have an idea. Diba? There's an inner monologue. There's something going on with my head, but I'm not saying it. That's inner monologue. Subtext, you're trying to say something, pero deep inside. Subtext is something like, ito yung text, pero make no meaning yung nagsasabi because you want another, because you have an objective. Alright? And then, next one. Now, inspirations. Okay. It is important for the directors, specifically for the directors, to draw inspirations. May time pa ba? Double check. Yeah, okay. It's important. Wait! Alright, inspiration is important for the director to draw those inspirations correctly. You have to adjust according to the production, kung anong kailangan, and saka to your actors as well. Alright? Okay, so this one, pause first. In directing class, this is directing class, we're asked to do a dramaturgical folder. What is a dramaturgical folder? Dramaturgy, first and foremost, is AKA research. Hindi lang ang playwright, in this case kasi I'm both the playwright and the director. But both the playwright and the director has to do the research. And then also if you have a researcher, which is known as the dramaturg, not the researcher, the dramaturg, you're supposed to add to that inspiration, to that. But if you're a director, you have to know also what you want. So, this is a play which I wrote for junior high. So, grabe ako yung teacher, di ba? Ako yung nag-report. Ako yung may ganyan. So, for them to understand this thing. Alright, so this was for the Chrysalis project. So, I think si Zoe pinagawan kita. Si Zoe lang kasi siya yung director before. Not the rest of the theater arts, but siya lang. So, this is what Zoe was meant to do. She was meant to draw inspirations for the story. Kaya siya lang yung director. The other theater arts hindi. Kasi hindi kayo director. Because the director has to know what she wants from the beginning in order to be able to be the captain of the ship, to be able to have a unified vision of the play, which I'll show you later. So this was my dramaturgical folder for the Chrysalis project. So different. So I'm not going to go over it now, pero if you would see from visuals, good. Good. Why is it the Chrysalis project? Everything. Kaya, tuloy-tuloy na lang siya. So, symbolism, the artwork, my notes, but the title na lang. Good. Narrative inspirations. Kasi it's basically for yeah, it was based from, well, it was inspired from wait, stop pala. Sorry, stop. Atam is a play. I think I heard from your teacher. You're gonna do something like flashbacks. Atam is flashbacks. Here, there was the actress. Actually, ito, Chrysalis Park was this is Anila Brown. She plays Chigia Almonte. She plays this character na medyo sexy star siya, pero she wants to do a play about Atam de la Rama. Okay? So, this is both Atam. So, separately. Okay. So, at first, what happened was, she was talking to Atam, and Atam, no, you're not, no, I don't want anyone to do a movie after me. No, I will not give my blessing. No. Because for her, it's just a start vehicle. But for Atam, her life is actually, if you know, do you know Atam de la Rama? She is the Queen of Philippines, Kundiman and Sarsuela. She is the wife, Kaamon Hernandez, national artist. Na her husband was in prison. Siya yung point ng isang lipang langit. Ibong Mandaragit. Her husband was political. Aside from the baby, ito nag-flashback din sa life niya. So this is retelling of her story. Pero Atam was here, most of the time they were here, and then the flashback were here. The lighting were different, segregated. Yun nangyari. Tapos, but Gia, actually, although at first she's the starlet, later on she becomes the young Atam. A little change in the it's in the writing, she becomes the young Atam de la Rama in the play. And then, it breaks again pag magbabago. It's a little bit tricky, magbabago siya sa script. Okay, so that was one of, kasi yung sa story ng Chrysalis project, she was a Pulitzer Prize winning author. And then there's this one of the very ambitious writer. So kala niya basta-basta lang. So same thing with that. So that was the inspiration. So just be careful with your flashbacks. Preferably, if you're going to do flashback, make sure there's a certain thing na medyo similar dun sa sa character. At least, especially the words, kung hindi nyo maano pa siya sa makeup at sa words. Kasi with also, when we did Francesco, that was a flashback because it's his death, and then we had to live his life with the young Francesco. So again, some of the inspiration were quotes from plays, things that inspire me. Your books. My own books. Okay. Yeah. Forward. Yeah, even with, stop na. Okay, so that one, visually, I love Frida Kahlo. So, definitely hindi siya realistic yung sex. And then, may cracks. They have this pendant with cracks. And if it was supposed to be, the cracks is important because I like intimacy. You may be broken, but you'll always be a masterpiece. So that's why it's also there. Okay? Yeah, forward na lang. So, for the directors, if you can do a dramaturgical folder para you know what to do better. Yan yung stage. Forward na lang. Forward na lang. Yan yung iyan. Like, okay, like niya. Ano? Nilike niya. Yeah, you know nilike niya. Because that's a lot. Okay. So, costumes. Pati yung costumes, more or less what I want. Okay. Suitcases are part of the sex. Ganyan. So, it is suitcase. So, and sources. Okay, now next one. Gawin ako na siya. Yeah, stop. Okay. Okay. Disclaimer. Okay, I know there were some things that we still did not do. I was honest with that. But for a short time, personally, I believe my class exceeded my expectations. Right? If you would see from the bookstore, from the souvenir program, from the decorations, the back, actually pati dyan, if you were able to watch, may mga bato-bato pa dyan. Nandyan. Meron pa yan. Everything was clear in her mind. First, because she's your director. But she was able to have people, her classmates, who we trust, who we can trust, who did their job. Proud of her leadership, but, of course, the director will not be the director without her cast and crew, who will listen to her and yet have their own creative whether they're actors or not. There was a creative vision, there was one unified vision. They followed the director, but they were able to, but the cast and crew listened. Even the Asherettes, natuwa ako sa Asherettes. Naka-Filipiniana ang Asherettes. Actually, even the introduction, if you can hear the introduction, nagulat ako sa introduction. May, ano ba narinig niyo yun? Si Isay. Hindi ko sinabi sa kanila yun. Sila nagkanunon. Sila nagsulat ng introduction. The introduction ng announcement pala, kasama siya, sinama siya sa everything was really fun. And yes, that's why I was so happy. Hanggang sa Lord Nasawa ko yan. Nakita ko yun. Okay? So, yun. Yun lang. Just say, yun. I'm just proud of my students. They exceeded expectations. So this one, if you want this directors and whoever's gonna act, this is one of the hardest parts in St. Francis. Francis last year, because they're supposed to feel death. Not all of, mga tatlo lang ang nakaranas ng death. Technically, what you're supposed to do, sense memory, directors, if you want a deep emotion for your actors, you ask the actors to go to one side, close their eyes, concentrate. If, in this case, kasi this is pain and grief. So what I told the actors, think of the most painful memory you have. when you were betrayed, when you died, remember that. Do not remember the feelings. Remember the memory. Remember the room. Remember what's the smell. Remember the sound. Where were you? What were you doing? Who were you with? Don't recreate the feeling. Recreate the moment in your head. But to make it easier for them, what I asked them to do, kasi this happened the day we had to do the matinee, the first show. Kasi anong message na nag-show. I asked them to bring an object, same thing, object, that will let them remember that. May nagdala ng belt kasi pinapalo siya ng tatay. Kasi napalo. That's anger. May sa grocery. May sa actual grocery. This is one of the hardest things. So what I asked them to do is pretend that person, or hindi say that sumilaan namin doon sa gitna. You talk to that person. Supposedly, coffin monologue, isa-isa sila. So everybody would watch. But it was so hard for all of us already. Sobrang bigat. Start pa lang, hindi pa sila pumupunta. Mabigat na. So, sige, you stay there. Nandito ako. And then, when I think, you talk to that person, what will you tell that person? Leave me in na. So I had to tap them out. After, all of them, after that, they were, yung parang they were like that. Sabi ng teacher nga nila, hindi ginawa mo.